Unlocking your potential. Kick into overdrive, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language and unlock the secrets of its idioms and phrases. Today, we're exploring a fascinating expression, kick into overdrive. This phrase is not just about cars. It's a metaphor for life, work, and so much more. Stay tuned as we break down its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in everyday conversation to sound like a native speaker. The phrase, kick into overdrive, is often used to describe a situation where someone or something starts to work much harder or more effectively than before. It originates from the automotive world, where overdrive is a gear in a car that reduces the engine's workload at high speeds, thus saving fuel. When you kick a car into overdrive, you're making it run more efficiently at a higher performance level. In everyday language, this expression is used metaphorically to signify putting in extra effort or increasing the intensity of an activity. It's about shifting from your current state of effort into a higher gear to achieve better results, whether that's studying for an exam, working on a project, or pushing yourself physically in sports. Understanding how to use this phrase in context can really enhance your conversational skills. Let's look at a few examples. 1. Personal goals. With the final exams just around the corner, I've really had to kick my studying into overdrive. 2. Work projects. The project deadline was moved up, so the whole team had to kick into overdrive to get everything completed on time. 3. Sports and fitness. In the last lap of the race, she kicked into overdrive and managed to secure a win. These examples show that you can use kick into overdrive in various situations where there's a need to increase effort or efficiency dramatically. Why is this phrase important for English learners? Firstly, it's a great example of how English speakers use metaphors from technology and machinery to describe human behavior and effort. Understanding such phrases can enhance your fluency and help you convey nuances in your conversations. Additionally, knowing when and how to use idiomatic expressions like kick into overdrive can make your English sound more natural and native-like. It shows that you have a deeper understanding of the language beyond just basic vocabulary and grammar. We hope this exploration of kick into overdrive has been enlightening and that you're now ready to use this expression in your own conversations. Remember, learning a language is also about kicking your efforts into overdrive, constantly pushing yourself to learn, grow, and understand more. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the English language. Catch you in the next video.